Here at Microbird, we place our customers at the heart of everything we do, anticipating their needs, exceeding their expectations, and continuously innovating to deliver market-leading products and services that set new standards of excellence. Through individual empowerment and unwavering commitment, we foster a culture of safety and quality. Our goal is to design and deliver superior products and services that ensure unmatched reliability, durability, and optimal operating costs. We value respect, ethics, and teamwork as the foundation of our success, fostering a stimulating environment built on mutual trust, integrity, and collaboration with all our colleagues and partners. We believe in open, transparent, and respectful communication, creating a culture of trust and autonomy that drives collective growth and lasting relationships.